Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Yogesh Borse and today we will discuss about the centrifugal pump. Construction and working of the centrifugal pump. This is the diagram which shows the working principle of a centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump has mainly two pipes, suction pipe and delivery pipe. The distance from the free surface of water sump to the eye of the impeller is called as the suction head, which is denoted by HS. And the distance from the eye of the impeller to the overhead water tank is called as the delivery head, which is denoted by HD. Actually, centrifugal pump works on the principle of centrifugal action. Hence, it is named as a centrifugal pump. The working principle of centrifugal pump commences when electric motor starts and shaft of an electric motor which is connected to the impeller also rotates and suction is created over the eye of the impeller. That means pressure at the eye of the impeller is less than the atmospheric pressure. Then suddenly water from the sump which is at atmospheric pressure rushes suddenly at the eye of the impeller. There is a physical contact takes place between the rotating impeller and water, which causes vortex formation and centrifugal action, which leads to water expel out tangentially into the delivery pipe. This water has high pressure than the water in the sump. In this way, water is delivered from low pressure to the high pressure at the overhead tank. Now we will go by one point. The first step in the operation of centrifugal pump is a priming. Priming is the operation in which suction pipe casing of a pump and the position of the fluid with the liquid which is to be pumped, so that all the air from the position of the pump is driven out and no air is left. So for removing the air from the pump, priming is very important step. The necessity of priming of a centrifugal pump is due to the fact that the pressure generated at the centrifugal pump impeller is directly proportional to the density of the fluid that is in contact with it. After the pump is primed, the delivery valve is still kept closed and electric motor is started to rotate the impeller. The delivery valve is kept closed in order to reduce valve is opened, the liquid is made to flow in an outward radial direction. There by vanes of an impeller at the outer circumference with high velocity at outer circumference due to centrifugal action, vacuum is created, as I explained in the previous slide also. This causes liquid from sump to rush through the suction pipe to eye of the impeller, thereby replacing the long discharge from the center of circumference of the impeller is utilized in lifting the liquid to the required height through the delivery pipe. There are main parts of centrifugal pump. First is impeller. It is a wheel or a rotor which is provided with a series of backward curved blades or vanes. It is mounted on the shaft which is coupled to an external source of energy which imparts the liquid energy to the impeller, thereby making it to rotate. Second is the casing. It is the pipe which is connected at the upper end to the inlet of the pump to the center of the impeller, which is commonly known as the eye. The double end reaction pump consists of two suction pipe connected to the eye from both sides. The lower end dips into the liquid into the lift. The lower end is fitted into the footwall and the strainer. Third is the delivery pipe. It is a pipe which is connected at the lower end to the outlet of the pump and is delivers the liquid to the required height near the outlet of the pump on the delivery pipe. A valve is provided which controls the flow from the pump into the delivery pipe. Fourth one is the suction pipe with footwall and the strainer. Suction pipe is connected with the inlet of the impeller and the other end is dipped into the sump of the water at the water end. It consists of footwall and the strainer. The footwall is a one-way wall that open in upward direction, and the strainer is used to filter the unwanted particle present in the water to prevent the centrifugal pump from blockage. Application of centrifugal pump: oil and energy. Then next is the industrial and fire protection industry, waste management, agriculture and pharmaceutical, chemical and food industries, food production and aerospace. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share and comment to my channel.